How to use coupons on Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use coupons on your Shein app. So let us just begin. First, open up your Shein app. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to use those coupons on your Shein app, what you'll need to do is just select the item that you want to buy. So let's say I'm gonna buy this. So to do this, just add this item to your cart, and after you add it to your cart, you will see this shopping section here, this button on the top right. Just tap on it. After you do that, select the items that you want to check out. So just you can deselect all the others, and after you've done and after you're happy with your selection, just tap on checkout on the bottom right. Tap on checkout, and after you tap on checkout, scroll down and you will see payment method, and scroll down till you see apply coupon option. Tap on apply coupon, and there you will see all of your coupons. Now you can apply the coupon by simply typing in the coupon code and tapping on apply, or you can simply see the recommended section here to find out the coupons. And after that, just tap on continue, and then you will be able to continue. And that is basically how you use the coupons on your Shein app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like button, and to stay tuned, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.